Bazzite Linux is not just another Linux distribution you install and forget. It's a carefully designed operating system that tries to answer a very practical question. How do you make Linux feel stable, modern, and effortless, especially for gaming and everyday use, without constantly worrying about breaking your system? That question shapes everything Bazzite is built around. At the surface, Bazzite looks familiar. You boot into a clean desktop, usually KDE Plasma or GNOME. You can browse the web, install apps, play games, and customize your desktop. Nothing feels strange or experimental. But under the hood, Bazzite is very different from traditional Linux systems, and that difference is what makes it special. Bazzite is based on Fedora 42 and uses Fedora's Atomic Immutable Desktop technology. Immutable means the core operating system is read-only. You are not constantly modifying system files while the system is running. Instead, the operating system exists as a complete image. This one design choice changes how Linux behaves in daily life. On a traditional Linux distribution, updates modify the system directly. Over time, those changes can conflict, break dependencies, or cause unexpected behavior. On Bazzite, updates are delivered as full system images. A new version is prepared alongside the old one. When you reboot, you switch to the new version. If something ever goes wrong, you can roll back to the previous version just as easily. This makes Bazzite extremely reliable. Updates become something you do confidently instead of something you fear. This approach is especially important for gaming systems. When you sit down to play, you don't want to troubleshoot drivers, audio issues, or broken updates. You want the system to behave like a console. You press power, and it works. That's where Bazzite really shines. Bazzite is heavily inspired by SteamOS, the operating system that powers the Steam Deck. It is designed with Steam gaming as a first-class priority, not an afterthought. Steam is already integrated. Proton is ready. Graphics drivers are properly configured. Performance-oriented defaults are applied out of the box. On many Linux distributions, gaming feels like a checklist. Install drivers, configure Proton, fix permissions, tune performance. On Bazzite, gaming feels like a built-in feature. Because Bazzite is based on Fedora 42, it benefits from a modern Linux kernel, an up-to-date Mesa graphics stack, and excellent support for modern hardware. New CPUs, GPUs, and laptops tend to work well without manual intervention, especially on AMD hardware. Another key part of Bazzite's design is how applications are installed. Instead of installing most software directly into the system, Bazzite encourages using Flatpak applications. Flatpaks run in their own sandboxed environments. They don't interfere with the core system. They don't conflict with updates. They keep the operating system clean and predictable. For advanced users, Bazzite still allows layered packages and container-based workflows when needed, but the default experience is intentionally simple. The system stays stable, apps stay isolated. This same philosophy extends to one of Bazzite's most powerful features, built-in Android app support. Bazzite comes with Waydroid already installed and integrated. Waydroid allows you to run Android apps natively on Linux using container technology. Unlike traditional emulation, Waydroid uses the system kernel directly, which results in much better performance and smoother behavior. The important part here is that Waydroid is not something you need to set up manually on Bazzite. It's already there. It's already configured to work with the system's immutable design. This makes running Android apps feel like a natural extension of the desktop, not a hack. With Waydroid, you can run Android apps alongside your Linux applications. This is especially useful for messaging apps, streaming apps, utilities, and even some games. On a gaming-focused system, this adds another layer of flexibility without compromising stability. On many Linux distributions, setting up Waydroid can be fragile. Kernel modules, permissions, and system changes can break it over time. On Bazzite, Waydroid fits perfectly into the Atomic model. Updates don't randomly break it, rollbacks don't destroy it. It behaves like a part of the operating system, not an afterthought. This is a recurring theme with Bazzite. Features are not just added, they are integrated intentionally. Customization is another area where Bazzite strikes a smart balance. While the system itself is protected, the user environment is fully customizable. KDE Plasma, in particular, allows deep personalization without touching system files. You can theme it, tweak it, and shape it however you like, while the core OS remains untouched. Performance tuning is also handled quietly in the background. Bazzite applies sensible defaults for scheduling, power management, and gaming performance. Instead of asking users to tweak kernel parameters and configuration files, Bazzite ships with choices already made. This doesn't mean power users lose control. It means the system starts from a strong baseline. Another major advantage of Bazzite is consistency. Every user running the same version of Bazzite is effectively running the same base system. This makes bugs easier to identify, fixes easier to deploy, and community support much stronger. In traditional Linux systems, two users can run the same distribution and still have completely different system states. On Bazzite, the foundation is consistent by design. This consistency is one of the reasons Bazzite works so well for handheld gaming devices, living room PCs, and systems meant to behave more like appliances than experiments. Now, it's important to be honest about who Bazzite is for. Bazzite is ideal for users who want a stable, modern Linux system with excellent gaming support, Steam integration, and features like Waydroid built in. It's perfect for people coming from Windows, Steam Deck users, and anyone who wants Linux to feel reliable rather than fragile. Bazzite may not be ideal for users who enjoy constantly modifying system internals, replacing core components, or treating their OS as a playground. Bazzite prioritizes predictability over chaos. That is not a limitation, it's a philosophy. Bazzite represents a shift in how Linux can be delivered. It shows that Linux doesn't have to be complicated to be powerful. It doesn't have to be unstable to be flexible. It doesn't have to break to be free. By combining Fedora 42, Atomic updates, gaming-first design, Steam integration, and built-in Waydroid support, Bazzite creates an experience that feels modern, intentional, and surprisingly calm. In many ways, Bazzite answers a question Linux users have been asking for years. What if Linux could just work without constant maintenance while still giving you power, performance, and freedom? That's what Bazzite Linux is all about. Thanks for watching.